3 bulls were arguing, while 27 birds watched. My way is the best way! No, you don't know what you're talking about. Hey, both of you, shh, follow me. Me? I'm one of the birds sitting there watching. I'm the youngest one there. My voice wouldn't make a difference. I'll just follow the bulls. Context chair and fellow birds. I was at a leadership camp in the jungles of Perak, Malaysia. The task, 30 of us to carry 300 kilograms of bricks up a jungle trail. 10 kilograms each. Doable, right? But we couldn't agree on how to get it done. And so after half an hour of arguing, and me watching the show eating peanuts, I hear a voice pipe up. Geordie. Now Geordie is skinny, short hair, big eyes. He looks like an ostrich. He says, guys, no time. Everyone take what you can. Young men, we carry the rest, okay? Without wasting time, the bulls grab the bricks and run. Everyone else follows suit until there's 10 men left with 250 kilograms of bricks. 25 kilograms each. Carrying that is like piggybacking a skinny Korean woman up the mountain. Am I rehearsing for drama? This is so unfair. Don't you hate it when life is unfair? And you have to carry the team's load. But there's no point complaining. It doesn't solve the problem. So we split the bricks and we move on. Some go fast, some go slow. Geordie the ostrich, he's got ostrich legs, he's fast. Me, medium legs, I'm somewhere in the middle. And halfway through that trek, I'm feeling really miserable. I'm thinking, why did I spend money to do national service again? Carry a big backpack, 2 steps forward, 3 steps back, mud all over the place. I'm tired, miserable, lonely. And then I see Geordie in the distance. That tall ostrich, he's weaving back and forth. He looks unsteady. I catch up with him and I can see he's struggling with the weight. The backpack clutched tight. It's squeezing his head, which is now swollen purple. His eyes popping out. He really looks like an ostrich. And I think I have to do something before he falls over. So I say, hey Geordie, what do you call a deer with no eyes? No idea! Geordie looks at me, ha he falls over. Well, I try to pull him up, but I can't. His bag is too heavy. Turns out, his bag has twice the number of bricks than mine. I say, why don't we take a rest? Yeah. So sitting there in the silence of the jungle, suddenly, a purple bird flies and lands on the rock right in front of us. It's beautiful. The bird looks at Geordie and looks at me and then flies off. Geordie and I sit in silence, appreciating that rare moment. When suddenly Geordie looks at me and he says, kid, you are beautiful. Bro! Alone in the jungle. He said, no, kid, you are beautiful, like that purple bird. You fly in here, you encourage me with your silly joke, and now I feel I'm not alone. I don't have to be miserable. I can move forward. How about this, kid? I will be a purple bird to those in front. You'll be a purple bird to those behind. Sounds like a plan. So Geordie speeds off, like the ostrich he is, and I wait for those behind. After about 10 minutes, I see figures rising up the horizon. A line of undead soldiers moving forward. There's no light in their eyes. Everyone looks miserable. How should I be a purple bird? What do I say? I can't tell the same corny joke twice, right? So I think, well, I'll do what birds do. I'll sing. Baba, black sheep, anywhere you want. And I hear a reply. Yes sir, you're a fool. Okay, they're alive. And as I catch up with them, we slowly walk forward, singing random songs, nursery rhymes, whatever it was. But song by song, step by step. Our legs feel stronger. The bags feel lighter. Our smiles grow wider. And we catch up to the front and we finish that trek. And it's clear, all of us 30 made it. But there were two different groups. The bulls sulking in the corner, tired. And the birds laughing, encouraging, and singing with each other. My friends, this is life, that jungle trek. As things get more and more complicated, people feel lonely, miserable, complex life. And what's worse, we're all carrying invisible burdens that no one can see, isn't it? But it's the purple birds in our lives, the ones that fly in and with a can just brighten your day and remind you that, hey, we're not alone. We can do this together. Is there a purple bird in your life that you're grateful for? How about this? Why don't we all become purple birds? Because even if you don't know what to say, just a simple beep beep to someone can make that difference. Don't believe me? Try now. Didn't the energy just shift? And if I'm still not sure how to be a purple bird, I'll tell you what Jordy told me. Friends, you are beautiful. Be a purple bird.